Metabolic syndrome part 4. We're continuing the discussion on inflammation and the 3 stresses that cause the inflammation: physical, chemical, emotional. We talked about the chemical, right? Things that you put in your mouth, things that you eat cause stress, which causes inflammation. Physical, this one you're probably going to understand more. That's too much exercise or not enough exercise. Yes, you can exercise too much. Like professional athletes, they are full of inflammation. They're constantly stressing their body. They're making their body do what it's not naturally supposed to be doing. So they're stressing and causing inflammation. Now on the flip side, if you don't do exercise and you're sedentary, that also causes inflammation because you don't help your body push the blood. So if you're not circulating your blood, guess what? You notice on your ankles, they get swollen up. That's called pooling, right? The blood, the circulation pools into your ankles. So that causes inflammation. So what's the solution? Now, some of you will be like, oh, Jimmy told me I can't exercise too much, right? No, that's not what I'm saying, okay? I'm not saying don't do exercise. You have to find your sweet spot. Find an activity that you love to do. But here's the thing. It's consistent. You want to do it every day, even if it's just a little walk, right? This will help decrease the physical stress that you're causing on your body because it does affect your organs. So find the sweet spot. Find something you want to do every single day.